Today, I just want to address an issue that almost every YouTuber faces at one point in time of their journey. Have you ever gone to bed with certain numbers of subscribers on your YouTube channel and you woke up to see the numbers dropping? This can be so frustrating and discouraging at the same time, especially if you are a beginner. But guess what? You are not alone in this journey. In today's video, I will dive into the top 5 reasons why people are unsubscribing from your YouTube channel, and most importantly, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can fix this and keep your audience engaged, and also how you can continue to grow up your YouTube channel. But before we dive deeper into this video, if you are new here, I'm Janet Solomon. I want to specially welcome you. For you to continue to see more useful content like this, please subscribe to my channel and also turn on your notification bell just so you don't miss any of my latest video. Alright, let's dive right into it. Welcome back, guys. When I started my YouTube journey, I also asked the same question at some point, because you will just see your subscribers increase now and somebody is unsubscribing already, and as a fresher, as a beginner, this can be so discouraging because it's now looking as if what you are doing, you are not doing it well. But here are a few things I have realized over time. Number one, everyone is not going to like what you do. You need to put that at the back of your mind. You see, some people might just unsubscribe simply because they don't just like your content. They don't like it. Or even probably because they dislike you personally. Maybe somebody knows you and they dislike you personally because you are succeeding. Your channel is growing and they don't like it. Or maybe some people even just go into your channel to copy what you are doing and use it in their own channel. One thing you have to always remember is that YouTube is not about pleasing everybody. You cannot please everybody, which is why everybody is not going to like you or like everything you are doing. So YouTube is about consistency, improvement. As far as you are improving and you are adding value to yourself, your old and new viewers are seeing value in what you do. If you are in this situation and you're thinking of giving up, please don't. Keep going. Don't even look back. Surprisingly, the people unsubscribing from your channel might even be your close friends. They might even be your close friends. And now this brings us to number 2, misleading thumbnails. See, if you deceive your viewers with your thumbnail and titles, they will likely unsubscribe, because when they realize the content doesn't match what they see in your thumbnail, doesn't match their expectation, they are going to unsubscribe. Personally, I would unsubscribe if I felt deceived, because trust is essential to me. And even the Bible also says in Proverbs 12 verse 22, the Lord detests lying lips, but he delights in people who are trustworthy. Even God no like am. If you promise something, make sure you deliver it in your video. Don't say a chicken is swallowing an elephant and I come to your channel, the chicken is not swallowing. I will unsubscribe from your channel. Number 3, go straight to the point. Don't start telling unrelated stories. Tell people what you want to offer them first. That is what you should do first. No one cares about unrelated stories that is not even contributing or adding to the content of the video they want to watch. Okay, so avoid that. This brings us to number 4, which is consistency. This one is very important, because if you stop being valuable to people, they are likely to unsubscribe from your channel. This means that if you upload a video today and you gain a lot of views, you get a lot of subscribers, but then disappear for a very long time, and the next time you want to upload is probably 1 year after, your audience will lose their interest and they are going to go away. So keep your audience engaged by consistently uploading new content. Keep uploading new things and keep them engaged in your channel. They don't want to even be waiting for you. Number 5, never stop learning. Always make research on your area of interest. You know, there are a lot of topics to explore, a lot of them to explore in your area of interest. Learn from others in your niche and continually improve in yourself. Another thing you need to do is never stop praying for guidance in your journey as you begin to create content, regardless of your religion. The Bible says in James 1 verse 5, if anyone lacks wisdom, let him ask of God, who what gives to all liberally and without reproach. and it will be given to the person. So never stop growing and never stop learning. In conclusion, losing subscribers is part of this YouTube journey, just the way we lose friends along the way, even in our physical life. So it's also a normal thing when it comes to this YouTube journey thing, trust me. But it's also an opportunity for you to learn and improve yourself. And what I want you to do for me is focus on consistency, honesty, delivering values and engaging with your audience, and always striving to enhance your content. Now, with these few strategies, you will not only retain subscribers, but you will also attract new ones who resonate with your channel authenticity and quality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.